So I'm kind of having a thought about my Xtool here, and maybe a different way we can approach hanging on to the material, because as we all know, these clamps leave something to be desired. But I was thinking about it, and I'm burning a test array right now, so I'm in the middle of it, and I about ran into my clamp with the nozzle of my laser. So I stopped it before that happened. Anyways, how can I hang on to this material unless you're perfectly cut into it? And I didn't perfectly cut into this material. And so this is a theory, and this is just a test run of the theory right now. And maybe it works. We'll see. But what I'm thinking is you take out one of these rails and you drop it on the ground. Take out all the rails that you need to get out of the way. What I'm thinking is putting a rail underneath and clamping down on the material up here. So let's give it a shot, because if this works, it's somewhat it's a solution. I've been thinking Xtool needs to make some sort of clamping system for material. Would you look at that? Just look at it. It works like a charm. I'm in the middle of a burn right now too with my test array. I'm gonna just rock and roll with that. Let's see how that goes, huh? Send it. Wow. I certainly saved myself from some disaster too. If I would have been recording it, you guys would have saw it. I about crashed it. And so I guess there's a lesson there too. Pay attention to where your nozzle is in there.